Hi, welcome to our next Level 1 algebra video. We're now starting to look at rational functions. Rational functions are functions, or if they are in algebra, rules that are written in fraction form. Here are a couple of examples of rational functions in algebra. Right, in this video, we're going to focus on what to do when we multiply or divide rational functions. So let's get straight into example 1. We're going to simplify 2x over 7 multiplied by 3 over x. Well, if we remember back to year 9 and year 10, to multiply fractions, we need to go numerator times numerator. And in this example, we're going to go 2x times 3, which gives us 6x. And then we're going to go denominator times denominator. And in this example, we're going to go 7 times x, which is 7x. So we get 6x over 7x. Now, the key thing here is we can cancel the x's. Cancel the x's. Any number divided by itself will give us 1 and will disappear into 1. And we don't need to write the 1 down. So we get 6 over 7. Now, let's just quickly talk about when we can and can't cancel. In this first example, 5ab over 3a, 5 times a times b divided by 3 times a. The a's can cancel. Now, that's because we are multiplying everything. We can only cancel when things are getting multiplied. And that would leave us with 5b on the top and 3 on the bottom. Examples 2 and 3, we cannot cancel anything. A lot of people want to cancel the minus 5s, for example 2, but it's not been multiplied by the a or the b. And in the bottom example, we can't cancel the 7s because the 7 on the bottom has not been multiplied by the c. So none of these can cancel. All right, let's move on to example 2. Let's multiply 3 bracket b plus 4 over 2b times 8 over b plus 4. So top times top, numerator times numerator. So we get 3b plus 4 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24, bracket b plus 4. And denominator times denominator, bottom times bottom. So we're going to get 2b times brackets, let's put it in brackets, b plus 4. Now, because we are going 24 times b plus 4 and 2b times b plus 4, we can cancel the b plus 4s. And that leaves us with 24 over 2b, but 24 divided by 2 is 12, so we're left with 12 over b. The b's on the bottom and stays there. All right, what about example 3? Simplify 5 over y times y over 2 times 3 over 6. Well, we just go top times top times top, which gives us 15y, and bottom times bottom times bottom, which gives us 12y. The y's will cancel, and we're left with 15 over 12, and 15 over 12 can simplify down to the fraction 5 over 4. All right, let's move on to dividing. When we divide fractions, here's the key thing. We're going to take the second fraction, swap it over, proper name is called the reciprocal, and the divide turns into a multiply. Now we can just go top times top, 14 times y, and bottom times bottom, 2y. In this example, the y's will cancel, and 14 divided by 2 is just 7. So we take the second fraction and flip it over, and the divide turns into a multiply. If we're trying to divide 3 fractions, we take the second, in fact, we can take the second and third fractions and flip them over, so long as we don't touch the first fraction, and then all the divides turn into a multiply. So now we can just go top times top times top, and bottom times bottom times bottom. And in this example, one of the b's on the top is going to cancel with one of the b's on the bottom, and we're going to be left with 5b squared on the top over 6a squared on the bottom. Great, thanks for watching.